For hundreds of years, banks have controlled the global financial system. They process payments, they approve loans, and they hold your money. But today, something is changing. A new technology is challenging that entire system. A financial system that works without banks, without middlemen, and without permission. It's called blockchain. And platforms like Ethereum and Solana are leading this revolution. Traditional banking systems have several major limitations. International transfers can take days to complete. Transaction fees can be expensive. And millions of people around the world still don't have access to bank accounts. In many countries, accessing financial services is difficult or even impossible. But blockchain technology offers a completely different model. Instead of relying on banks to verify transactions, they can be confirmed by a decentralized network of computers. That means anyone with an internet connection can participate in the global financial system. No bank required. One of the most important innovations in crypto is called decentralized finance, also known as DeFi. DeFi allows people to use financial services directly through blockchain networks without banks. Using DeFi platforms, users can lend money, borrow assets, earn interest, and trade cryptocurrencies. Most of these applications are built on Ethereum. Ethereum introduced a powerful concept called smart contracts. Smart contracts are programs that automatically execute agreements when certain conditions are met. No paperwork, no middlemen, just code. Smart contracts are one of the most revolutionary ideas in blockchain technology. They allow financial agreements to be executed automatically. For example, instead of a bank managing a loan agreement, a smart contract can handle everything. Once the required conditions are met, the transaction happens instantly. This reduces paperwork, processing time, and human error. Platforms like Solana are also building extremely fast blockchain networks. Some process thousands of transactions every second, making decentralized finance far more scalable. One of the most powerful aspects of blockchain is that it's global. Traditional banking systems are divided by countries, borders, and regulations, but blockchain networks operate across the entire world. This means someone in one country can send money to someone in another country almost instantly, without banks, without currency exchange delays, and without expensive international transfer fees. Because of this, many experts believe blockchain could create a more open and inclusive financial system despite its enormous potential. Decentralized finance still faces challenges. There are security risks, smart contract bugs, and regulatory uncertainty. Governments around the world are still deciding how blockchain technology should be regulated. Because of this, some investors remain cautious. But development in this space continues to grow rapidly. Today, billions of dollars are already flowing through decentralized finance platforms. Developers continue building financial tools on networks like Ethereum and Solana. Major companies, financial institutions, and even governments are exploring how blockchain technology could improve traditional finance. Some believe the future financial system will combine banks and blockchain together. Others believe decentralized systems could eventually replace traditional intermediaries entirely. For centuries, banks controlled the global flow of money. But blockchain technology has introduced a completely new idea: a financial system that is open, transparent, and decentralized. The question is no longer whether crypto will influence finance. The real question is, how much of the financial system will blockchain eventually replace? Because the future of money may already be unfolding on networks like Ethereum and Solana. Before you go, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more stories and insights about crypto, investing, and the future of money.